seem quite nice for a girl with good looks, and I'm the kind of fella that'll make you feel better when your life gets shook. So give it a chance according to your plans. I bet I'm not number one on your list to kiss, but please understand. You seem quite shy, but you're oh so cute, and I'm the kind of boy that would love to be yours if you'd ask me to. So give it a chance, try to hold my hand. I swear I'll never let go, just to let me know, and I'll be your man. I really want to come out and tell you